Welcome back. This is the fifth tutorial. Last time we saw how to add in the strings, so now we shall see how to add in the fluids. So for the fluids, you know the different types of fluids we have at the rig site. We have different types of mud. So I can call this mud 1. So you give it a description. If you're using water base, you choose water base. If it is oil based, you use oil based mud. If it is synthetic, use synthetic mud. So for this purpose of today, I'm going to use synthetic mud. We are going to go through this again at a later time. So you choose the type of mud, you choose the percentage of oil, percentage of water, the salt content in the mud, reference temperature. We can use a reference temperature of 150 degrees, average salts, solid gravity. In SG 2 is quite high, so we can reduce it, maybe 1.26. You can use 1.26 SG as our average solid gravity. Then we can use, if it is formable, you select that it's formable. If it is non-formable, you select that it's non-formable. So you use the different reage commodos you can use depending on how your program is. If it's a Newtonian fluid, you select that it's a Newtonian fluid. Then you have to put in the density here in ppg. If you're not fond of ppg, please remember to come here and change your units from API SI units, but I love the mixed API. So we are going to use ppg of 12 ppg. Our density of mud should be 12 ppg. So here it is showing you a normal curve of the shear, whether your work is good. If you want, you can still import the information you got from your mud report and place it here. So that's how we put in the mud. And if I make the fluids active here, you should be able to see them active. Those, that what you see there in red, those are the fluids that are active in the system. But then most times when you put in the casings, we can have mud inside there, or we can have completion fluids, what we call the workover fluids. So that is how we put in the fluids. Thank you very much for watching. Next time we shall tackle the next part in the 6th tutorial.